Hello, everyone, and welcome to Better English for You. I'm very happy you are here with us today to practice your English speaking.
Hello, and thank you so much for joining us. Today's lesson is designed especially for beginners who want to speak English more confidently.
In this lesson, we will practice real-life English conversations that you can use every day.
Please listen carefully to our conversation and try to speak out loud when you hear the pauses.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Speaking slowly and clearly is more important than speaking fast.
That's right. Making mistakes is a normal and important part of learning English.
Let's start with a very common situation in daily life, which is greeting someone politely. Hello, Jack. How are you feeling today?
Hello, Emma. I'm feeling quite good today. Thank you for asking. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. It's a nice day, and I'm happy we can practice English together.
That's great to hear. Now, listener, please repeat this greeting conversation slowly.
Now let's move on to introducing yourself, which is very important when you meet new people. My name is Emma, and I am learning English because I want to communicate better with people from different countries.
My name is Jack, and I practice English every day because speaking English helps me in my work and daily life.
Now it's your turn. Please say your name and tell us that you are learning English.
Excellent. Saying your name clearly is a great first step.
Let's talk about daily life and routines, because this is something we talk about very often in English. Jack, can you tell us what you usually do during a normal day?
Sure. During the day, I usually work, and after work in the evening, I spend some time studying English and relaxing at home.
That sounds like a good routine. I usually study English in the morning because my mind feels fresh at that time.
Listener, please repeat this useful sentence with us.
I study English every day to improve my speaking skills. Now, let's talk a little more about the morning, because mornings are important for starting the day well. Jack, what do you usually do when you wake up in the morning?
When I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth, eat breakfast, and get ready for work.
That's very common and useful English. In the morning, I like to drink coffee and plan my day.
Now, listener, please tell us what you do in the morning.
Now let's talk about free time and hobbies, which is a friendly topic in conversations. Jack, what do you usually do in your free time after work?
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies, listening to music, and sometimes practicing English to improve my pronunciation.
That sounds relaxing. In my free time, I like reading books and taking short walks.
Now it's your turn. Please talk about what you like to do in your free time.
Now let's practice a real-life situation that many people experience, which is shopping. Excuse me, Jack, can you tell me how much this item costs?
Of course, this item costs $5.
That sounds good. I would like to buy it, please.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Another very common situation is ordering food at a cafe or restaurant. Hello, I would like to order a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else with your coffee?
No, thank you. That will be all for today.
Now, listener, please practice ordering food in English.
Let's talk briefly about work or study, which often comes up in conversations. Jack, where do you work and what do you usually do there?
I work in an office, and I spend most of my time using a computer and writing emails.
I usually study English at home because it is quiet and comfortable.
Listener, please talk about where you work or study.
Sometimes we need help, and it's important to ask politely. Excuse me, Jack, could you help me for a moment?
Yes, of course. I'm happy to help you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop near here?
The bus stop is near the bank, just across the street.
Before we finish, let's talk about feelings. Jack, how are you feeling today after practicing English?
I feel happy and more confident because practicing English like this helps me improve.
That's wonderful to hear. Learning English takes time, so please be patient with yourself.
Try to practice a little every day, even if it is only for a few minutes.
Every small step helps you become better. Thank you very much for practicing English with us today.
We hope this lesson helped you feel more confident speaking English.
Please keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
This is Better English for You. We look forward to learning with you again next time.
Bye for now.